Swelling of the legs is one of the commonest noticeable changes in pregnancy. As you would have noticed, it normally starts off around the ankle region, then goes down to the feet or moves up high into the legs. And this progression is very gradual and very slow, occurring over days or weeks. Commonly, it starts occurring towards the end or latter half of the second trimester of pregnancy and more evident in the third trimester of pregnancy. And this is physiological. And there are various causes why this should happen. The most commonest cause is because of what we call as a fluid retention that happens during the pregnancy. The second cause is the enlarging pregnant uterus that compresses on the veins, preventing the normal flow of blood from the veins of the leg up into the heart. And the third cause is the blood vessel changes that happen as a result of the pregnancy hormones. But they do cause and give us discomfort. So few tips that can be followed to avoid them. Avoid standing for long hours. If your work demands that you sit for long hours, keep your legs or foot in an elevated position. Probably you can carry a small footstool to your working place. Walk around the cabin every 1.5 to 2 hours so that your legs are in motion. Keep rotating your ankles. Sometimes the swelling can cause terrible discomfort when your doctor might advise you to wear compression stockings. Though physiological, if you notice the swelling is not a gradual but happens all of a sudden, or is just confined to one leg, or is associated with severe pain, please immediately report to your doctor because they can be a cause of an increasing BP in pregnancy or because of a blood clot that is happening in the veins of the leg.